Good morning, good morning. Here we go on another drive through the streets of Phoenix. This time it's on the way to work. A little early in the morning. Don't know what's going to be going on today, but let's find out. Could be nothing, could be something. Just be sure to like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff with this video and my channel. I'll try to help us get to 100,000 subscribers. That would be fantastic. Oh yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful morning. Nice brisk 46 degrees, which is absolutely freezing for Phoenix. We'll just see what's going on this morning. Oh shit, I had fingers in there in the way of the video, but it's all right. Yes, sir. Beautiful morning. Tired, so probably not talking a whole ton. Down the street. We do got a beautiful sunrise. Is anybody noticing that? This is one of the great things about Arizona is our sunrise and sunsets. They are just phenomenal. No complaints about that. Very beautiful. Just probably jabber on way too much in these videos. Oh, this appears uneventful so far. Anybody know where we're at right now? You probably can read the street signs, but if not, take a guess. Let me know in the comments. I'm just going to go ahead and stop this video for now, and we'll say this was one of the good videos with nothing negative happening. Beautiful sunrise once again. You certainly got to enjoy that. It is amazing. Have a great day, everyone.